Hey there, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step how to fix Google Play games not working on PC in 2026, so you can get it running properly again. Make sure you follow the instructions to the end. To fix Google Play games not working on PC, you can simply search Hyper-V on Google. Scroll down until you see Install Hyper-V in Windows. Click. Scroll down again until you see a PowerShell command. To use this, you can simply copy it and go to the Windows search bar and search PowerShell. Now, run as administrator. Now you can simply hit enter and run the code. After that, restart your PC. And if that didn't work, you can simply uninstall and install Google Play to remove any corrupted files that might cause the conflict. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.